Hello viewers, I am Deepti. On your repeated demand for Icse Class 10 Economics deleted topic, today I am going to make this video to clear all your doubts regarding syllabus. Although it is very late now. So starting with our first unit, which is the productive mechanism, and the first chapter is factors of production, and the related topics are production mechanism, its meaning. Second, creation of utility and characteristics of production. Third, difference between factor inputs and non-factor inputs. Fourth, modern classification of factors of production. Next, relative importance of different factors of production. Next, functions and importance of land. Next is classification of labor. Skilled, semi-skilled, unskilled, manual, physical and mental, professional and administrative. Next is importance of labor. Suggestions to improve the efficiency of Indian labor. Difference between capital and other related concepts like wealth and capital, money and capital, capital and income. And next is suggestions to raise rate of capital formation and difference between entrepreneur and organization. All these are deleted topics from your chapter 1. Now coming to unit 2, theory of demand and supply, and our chapter 2 is elementary theory of demand, and the deleted topics are causes of operation of law of demand, or why does demand curve slope downward to the right, and second is causes behind shift of demand curve. These are two deleted topics from second chapter. From chapter 3, elasticity of demand. First deleted topic is degrees or kinds of price elasticity of demand, like perfectly inelastic demand, ED is equal to 0, inelastic demand, ED is less than 1, unit elastic demand, ED is equal to 1, elastic, highly elastic demand, ED is greater than 1, and perfectly elastic demand curve, ED is equal to infinity. All these are covered in your supply chapter but not in demand chapter. And numericals related with this chapter are also deleted. They are just for your practice, not for examination point of view. Coming to chapter 4, theory of supply. First deleted topic is reasons behind the operation of the law of supply. Level of profit, entry of new forms, change in stock, all these are subpoints. Next is exceptions like agriculture goods, perishable goods, goods of auction, rare paintings, in case of supply of labor. All these are deleted topics from chapter 4. Now unit 3, which is market, and chapter 5, meaning and types of market. Only deleted topic from this chapter is monopsony, its meaning, main features like single buyer, barriers to entry, etc. Now coming to unit 4, which is banking in India. Here chapter 6 is meaning and functions of money, and the deleted topic is forms of money, full bodied money, flat money, bank money, near money, etc. And second is contingent functions, means maximization of utility, maximization of profit, distribution of national income and basis of credit. Chapter 7, which is commercial banks. Deleted topics are importance of banks, agency functions, general utility functions, limitations of banks and nationalization of commercial banks. Coming to chapter 8, which is central bank. Deleted topics are need of central bank and then controller of credit. Chapter 9, introduction to public finance, and the deleted topic is scope of public finance. Only definition is left in this chapter. Second is nature of public finance, positive and normative aspect, all are deleted. Then last is comparison between public finance and private finance, similarities and dissimilarities, all these topics are deleted. It means this is the smallest chapter containing only definition, public finance. Next chapter is chapter number 10, which is public revenue. Here the deleted topic is significance of public revenue and objectives and significance of taxes. These two are deleted topics. Chapter 11, public expenditure. Deleted topics are developmental and non-developmental expenditure. Second is productive and unproductive expenditure. 3 is objectives of public expenditure, and 4th is role of public expenditure in economic development. Coming to chapter 12, which is public debt. Here the deleted topic is difference between public and private debts. Now coming to unit 5, which is inflation. Here chapter number 13 is inflation, and the deleted topics are features of inflation and relationship between value of money and price level. Unit 6 is consumer awareness and chapter 14 is consumer awareness. Deleted topics are consumer movement, forms of adulteration, rationale behind Consumer Protection Act 1986. Under Consumer Protection Act, only this rationale behind Consumer Protection Act 1986 is deleted. And fourth is standardization of products. This topic is deleted in the chapter Consumer Awareness. So these are the deleted topics from your whole syllabus for this year examination 2023-24. Hope now you have understood all these deleted topics. Just I want to say one thing, that on your demand I have made a video on sample paper for economics also, but your response for these videos is too low that it does not encourage me. So please give your response.